Hey, welcome back to Rosco Reviews. On today's episode, we're going to be tackling an issue that we come across in almost all of our properties, whether it's our rental houses that we're renting out, or even my own personal garage. So one problem that we always see in houses time and time again is in areas that are unfinished, like garages or unfinished basements. They are never brightly lit. So they're almost always too dim. So in this garage is a 2-car garage, and there are 2 single bulbs to light up the whole garage. So how are we going to tackle this problem and make it brighter in here so we have a nice space to work, or even just so you don't trip over anything in the garage? We're going to replace these lights with these LED bulbs. Now these are the type that fan out and have hundreds of diodes on them. There are a lot of different varieties of these available at your local hardware store and on Amazon. I will put a link for these. I did purchase these on Amazon, and I'll put a link for them down in the description of the video. These have adjustable fins on the side, so you can use them in any configuration. So if you'd like them bent up so they're wider spread, or you can put them out flat so that they're more spotlight straight down. I think for my application, and probably for what most people want to do, you leave them kind of bent back a little bit so that they'll project outward and light up the whole space. So let's go ahead and screw these in. These are super easy to install. They screw in just like a normal light bulb into a standard medium base. So we're going to unscrew these light bulbs. And I'm going to put 2 of these up in here, and we're going to see how much difference it makes. When working with anything electrical, it's always best to turn the power off. I know I get eaten alive in the comments if I don't do that. So it's best to turn off the power before you do anything electrical, even if it's screwing in a light bulb. Now again, you'll want to point these fins how you'd like to have them aimed, and there are diodes down in the bottom of this that point straight down as well. We'll go ahead and test out the first one. That is worlds brighter than it was before. So I'll switch out my second one, and we'll get a look at the garage and see how much brighter it is. Okay, so here's going to be the test. Let me show you what it looked like before. Okay, so this is what it looks like in my garage before we install these new super bright LEDs. And here's what they look like after. These make a huge difference in your garage. They are a super easy upgrade. I would highly recommend these to everybody with a garage or a basement. This is a huge upgrade that won't break the bank. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video enlightening. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time. Rosco.